Bind commands to key up and key down in AutoHotkey. I have written two functions in an AutoHotkey script, fun1 and fun2. I now need to bind fun1 to when pause is pressed down, and bind fun2 to when pause is released. As an example, I would press and hold pause to hide all windows, and release pause to restore all windows. This example is not my actual objective. How can I do that in AutoHotkey?
You could compile your .ahk scripts as .exe. Then have more info on .arc to .exe, AutoHotkey, AHK2EXE.
You can accomplish the desired functionality with this code. If you are dealing with subroutines instead, use this.
If you want to more detail, click the link in this slide.